In this lecture, you'll learn how to use PostgreSQL alter tablespace statement to rename, change the owner, or set the parameters of a tablespace. Let's say when you are creating your tablespace name, you made an error and you wanted to correct it, or you renamed your database and you want to rename your tablespace to reflect the same as your database name. Now, you don't have to panic. You can literally use the alter table statement to rename the tablespace. So you use the alter table statement, specify the name of the tablespace that you want to rename, and specify the new name that you want to rename it to, and then you execute. And the tablespace has been altered. Now if you refresh tablespaces, you should be seeing your tablespace now being reflected as the new name you specified. By default, when you're creating a tablespace, if you don't specify the owner of that tablespace, by default the owner will be the creating user. However, if you want to change the owner of the tablespace, you can use the alter tablespace command again and change the owner too. So we want to change the new tablespace owner to the demo user that is on the database here. So execute. If we go on properties, we should be seeing the demo user as the owner. Now you can also change the owner from the drop down. So if you select Postgres, then select SQL, you'll see this statement it will generate to change the owner, as well as you can rename the tablespace from here. So let's rename it back to demo. Select save, and all the changes should be reflected. So if you hit properties, you should be seeing the new changes that you just applied. In the next lecture, we'll be taking a look at how you can drop table spaces.